Okay guys, it's been a very long time I have bought any flowers or any gift to my wife. So today I just come back from my work and it's gonna be stress small gift buying tour for my wife. So I'm just gonna go in, find out something nice, I don't know what, some flowers, and then I need to go back home because it's already after office time, so I don't have much time for this tour. So let's see how does it go. We came to this shopping center called Tori, and in my head I think I will go for some clothing store and try to find some nice top for my wife. So let's see if I can find something. We're gonna go up and there is one flower shop. Hopefully I will find some nice flowers there also, and yeah, that's how we're gonna do. Let's go up. So I already know that where I'm gonna start looking for, and I'm gonna look for some tops which she can wear at not at work, because they have a dress code at work. But now I'm in one shop. What is the name of this shop? Casuals. Anyways, we're gonna just take a quick look. I really like this one from the distance. I mean, this one is nice, summer style, but they are like a little bit too old for me. So we have only 15 minutes to find something really nice. This dress is nice. Let's take a look on the price on this one, because they are also very nice in the summer time. $5.99. Okay, just keep this in mind, and we're gonna take a look on some that shop I like. Gina 3-Coat, they have very trendy dresses and tops, and here we're gonna go. And it's always very hard to find something which they like actually, because yeah, I'm not so good in that. No. Okay, we keep looking. What shop I was looking at? Kapal. That shop actually, they had a very good top I have looked at on internet. So we go there. So guys, it's not so easy. It's not so easy when it's so spontaneous. You have to find something, and sometimes you look something online and that looks different, and when you go to buy that one, that actually does not looks like that. It was actually, I think, this one. See that? This is nice. $3.49. It's not that easy. It's not that easy to find. So I'm gonna ask one of their employee. Before I go here, I took a photo. So I'm gonna show you. But before I go here, I took a photo, and hopefully they will have this this one. Let's see. Okay ji, we have found it normal actually, and that looks really nice. I show you in that picture. So I will just ask them to pack it for me if they can, and then it will go so smooth. So it took us only 2 minutes because they helped me to find it. Now it's already packed. We're gonna pay. Oh. Okay, here I cannot find any fresh red roses. There was some, but they does not look so nice. So I will go to one plant shop which is called Plantagen or Blomsterlandet. That is on my way back to my home. So let's see if we can find something quick there. But the present is done. So this called For You, and we're gonna go in. Put here, start the car, and let's go. Okay, now we came to this shop called Blomsterlandet. It's called Flowers Land, and we're gonna find some flowers here if we can find. So let's go in. We have everything in place. So that is what called that is what called Blomsterlandet. Gonna go there. So hey guys, I found something for my wife. I think this is really nice. Red flowers, red roses, not the big one, the small one, and the price was also good. So I'm gonna take this one. So let's get out of this shop and go to home. So this is at Corona time. So you have this yellow lines on the floor. You stand with the distance, so you follow the social distancing here. So you stand on this and wait for your turn, and then you go. So it's packed. I'm not best in packing, but it looks like this now. We are ready to go. So that was, guys, very quick shopping, a quick gift shopping for my wife and some flowers. I have done it after a very long time. So let's see how does it go. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So now we have arrived home. So let's see what happened. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल है?
शुक्र अल्लाह।
हाय उषा, क्या हाल है?
लाइव तो नहीं चला रही। थैंक यू।
This is going on YouTube.